Welcome, today in front of me OnePlus 10T and I'll show you how to link or unlink Google Assistant from power button on this device. So now by press and hold the power key we can open the power off menu, and if you wanna use the Google Assistant, for example, you should open the settings and then scroll to the system settings, then tap the power button and click here press and hold power button and switch power menu to voice assistant to Google One. And after that, now just by press and hold the power key we can see that the Google Assistant successfully activated. If you wanna just change this option to turn off the Google Assistant from power button, switch just voice assistant to power menu, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.